Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Eke.bio, and as you can see, we have it here on their website. So basically, they're another one of those scam websites that promises free Robux. So as you can see, just click on get started right here, and as you can see, this is server error 404, file or directory not found, so they have been taken down. And as you can see right here, we have it here on malware tips, and they also go over how the Eke.bio Robux scam works. So as you can see, number one is always advertising free Robux, so prompting users to input their username, taking users through verification, and then unsurprisingly never receiving the promised Robux. And then as you can see, they also have too good to be true Robux amounts like 50,000 or 100,000 Robux for free, sketchy redirects, and a lot more. So please do not enter in any information here on Eke.bio since you might get scammed, or please don't enter in your credit card information, your email, and you will get spam emails, or you might get phished or attacked online. And yeah, that's basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.